Good day guys and welcome to this video. And to this video I'll be showing you how to share Spotify on Instagram story with music. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'm sure if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. So guys, let's proceed. So now head over to your Spotify app. So now, as you can see, now assuming I just tap on this, for example. Now let me see, I just tap on a song, or let me say I'll tap on this song over here. Let me tap on this, or let this ad play, let this ad finish play. So let me just select this. So now guys, when you're on Spotify, I just want to make this known to you. If you share a song on Spotify with this share button, if you share it on Spotify, it won't be playing on the Instagram story. Okay, there will be a link to open on Spotify. The sound won't be audible on the story on Instagram. So this is how you do this. So after selecting a song, okay, so after selecting a song, tapping on it, what you need to do now, you need to screen record this song to the certain amount which you want. Let me say, be it for like 30 seconds. Okay, you need to screen record the song. So after you have screen recorded it, okay, after you have screen recorded it, just come back to your Instagram app after screen recording the song. So if you have recorded the song and the song is playing on Spotify, just come back to your story, then add the record which you did. Okay, so your Instagram, now the Spotify song will be playing in the background, and also the Spotify with the cover just like this as you have screen recorded. Okay, that's the way you can do this. Unless if you just share this song on Spotify, it won't play. Okay, so guys, that's how to add music, that's how to share Spotify on Instagram with Instagram story with music. So guys, before I conclude, I appreciate once again if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for ads and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching. Have a lovely day, stay safe, and God bless you. Peace.